All right, today we have a 2008 Doosan Lynx 220Lc, serial number L2203120. The machine has a tool presetter, parts catcher, cotlet nose. It has a tailstock, 12 position turret, and we're gonna run a program. Machine's going to home. References. Spindle's currently running at 1,000 RPM, and it's going up. That's 2,000 or 1,700. Using constant surface speed. Gonna go back to a safe point to index. Index the turret. That's 3,000. Gonna go back, do another index on the turret. Parts catcher goes up. Use your parting tool. Goes back over, parts catcher comes down, and that would be your unclamp. It grabs the bar, and it would pull it back out away from the spindle. And then that'd be it. The only thing I'll also show you is I'm going to index the tailstock. And then I'm just going to run the spindle up incrementally so you can hear it. That's 500. That's 1,500. That's 2,500. And that's 3,000 RPM. If you want to come around the back, the machine also has a coolant pan. All the coolant pumps and everything are there. You can see the cabinet is extremely clean, undisturbed. See the back side of the machine. Again, very clean machine, runs very well. Thanks for watching the video.